Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the new lesson that is called as simple equations or simple linear equations. So nothing but simply we call it as linear equations. Yes students, see this what you mean about equations. First we learned the equations in the 6th standard. We are learned in the 6th standard. But in the 6th standard we don't know how to solve the equations. Yes or no? So some method we have learned in the 6th standard, but this year we have to learn the solving of linear equations in one variable. This is the linear equations is nothing but linear equations in one variable. So there are three methods are there. Number one, trial and error method. Number two, elimination method. Number three, direct method or transposition method. So among these three methods we are using this method. We have to solve the pair of linear equations in one variable. Okay. See, let us take one of the example. I will show the what do you mean about equations. So equations means it equating to equal symbol. See, any two algebraic expressions, so are they equal to each other? In between the equal signs are there. For example, x plus 5 one of the algebraic expressions and 2x plus 7 is the another algebraic expressions. So when these two algebraic expressions in a LHS side, this is a RHS side. When the LHS side of the algebraic expressions is equal to the RHS side of the algebraic expressions, when they are equal, then it is called as what? Equations. For example, students, 3x plus 5. Is it an equations? No, it is not an equations. It only the expressions. When they are putting the equal symbol, equal sign. So after that we have to you can write any one number or any algebraic expression, any term we have to write in the LHS side and the RHS side. Then they are in between the equal signs are there. So then the LHS and RHS are equal. Then it is called as become an equations. Are you understood? So these equations. So how to solve these equations? So before going that. First, how to write the equations in the form of a statement. In the form of statement, how to write the equations. So, how to write the statement in the form of equations. See, I am taking one of the example. The sum of the first to write the equations in the following statement. Write the equations in the following statement. I will write one of the statement. Sum of x and 5 it is equal to what? 12 something anyway. So this is the statement. Sum of the x and 5 is equal to 12. This is the statement. So this statement we have to write in the form of equations. We know already equations. So LHS and the RHS we have to write in between the equal signs. Yes or no? Yes. First, what we have to do it? Sum. Sum is addition. So what we have to addition? X and 5. We have to sum of the x and 5. What is the sum sign? Plus. The x plus 5 is equal to, that symbolically is equal to sign. So is equal to what? 12. So this is the form of equation. What is that? X plus 5 it is equal to 12. This is the equations form. This is the statement form. So I will take one more example. Subtract 9 from y. It gives 15. Something is there. See, 9 subtract 9 from y. Be careful. We have to do subtractions. What we have to subtract? So y have to 9 have to subtract it from 5 y. So that's why y minus 9. So y in the 9 subtract madidini. So it gives means is equal to, gives is equal to, get, will, was. So these word is indicated as is equal to. What we have to get it? 15. I understood. So this is the equations form. So one more example. So 9 times of x is 9 times of x is 36. 9 times of x is 36. So this times, the word of times is indicated as into. Therefore 9 into x, 9x, 9 into x, it becomes 9x. Is equal to 9x is equal to what? 36. Therefore 9x is equal to 36 is the equation form of the statement from the statement form. So one more example, last example I will take now. Sum of the product of x and 5. Product of x and 5 is we get product of 9 and y. See students, product of x plus x and y. What is the product of x? What is the meaning of product? Product means multiplication. Therefore x and y 5x. X and 5 is become 5x. We get means is equal to product of the 9 plus y. It becomes 9y. Therefore 5x is equal to 9y is the another equations. I understood. So like this students, we have to write the equations and the statement in terms of equations in terms of statement. So let us write the statement in the following equation. Now we have to write the statement. Now they are given the equations. In the first cases we have to give the equation statement. We have to write the equation. In these cases they are given the equations. We have to write the statement. I will take one example. 3x plus x plus 7, it is equal to 9. See, very simple students. So x and 7. So in between which sign is there? Plus is there. So what we have to do? X and 7, we have to do sum. Therefore, sum of x and 7 is equal to what? 9. Very simple. So one more thing. 2x minus of 5, it is equal to 10. 2x minus of y is equal to 10. Very simple students. 2 times of, subtract, do like this. Subtract 5. Subtract 2x. Subtract 2 times of x. 2 times of x from subtract first what we have to subtract? 5. Subtract 5 from 2 times of x. Subtract what we have to subtract? 5. Rather in the 2 times of x we get 10. So this is the statement form. I understood. So last one I will take 7m, it is equal to 35. So this is the equation we have tried in the statement form. What is that? 7 times of m is 35. So this is the statement form. So when they are given the statement form, we have to write in the equations form. They are given the equations form, we have to write in the statement form. I understood how to write the statement form and the equations form. Okay. So next is now we have to solve the equations, solutions of the equations, or solving the equations in one variable. Yes, students. So we know that what do you mean about linear? Linear is nothing but straight. When you are putting the graph in the graph sheets of these equations, so the line it becomes straightly. So do you know how to draw the graph? So in this year we have to learn it. So in that cases, in that chapter we have to discuss it. So linear is nothing but, you have to keep in your mind, what is that? Linear is nothing but what? Straight line. When you are draw the equations of the linear equations in one variable, that line it become a straight line. That's why we call it as linear equation. Okay. So next students, solving the equations. So there are three methods are there. So today I am showing trial and error method. So remaining method I will show in the next classes. Okay, I will take the first one method, what? Trial and error method. How to solve the equations by trial and error method. Trial and error. That means, for example, x plus 3 it is equal to 8. I am taking x plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay, here which value we have to substitute the value of x. When you are putting the x value, the sum of these values become 8. For example, I am putting x is equal to 0. Is it LHS or RHS are not equal or equal? Let us see it. See, x is equal to 0. When I am putting x is equal to 0, the LHS part is become equal to 8. When the LHS part is become 8, then the solutions of the given equations. This is the solutions of the given equations. Let us see it. So x placing on an 0 plus 3. It is equal to x 0 plus 3. What we will get? 0 plus 3 what? 3. But this sum is not equal to 8. That's why x is not equal to 0. Therefore x is not equal to 0. Okay. Next one. X is equal to 1. You have to put it. X is equal to 1. Same equation. So x is equal to 1. 1 plus what? 3. So what is the 1 plus 3? It becomes 4. But we need 8. But it is not equal to 8. Therefore x is also not equal to 1. And x is equal to 2. You have to give 2. So 2 plus 3. It is equal to 2 plus 3. How much become? 5. But 5 is not equal to 8. Therefore x is also not a solution of the given equation. Then x is equal to 3. Have to give it. Same. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. So what will you get? 3 plus 3? 6. 6 is again not equal to 8. Again x is not equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Is not a solution of the given equations. Then x is equal to 4. You have to give it. So what is that? 4. This is trial and error. Error means wrong. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಎರರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎರರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ. So I am putting x is equal to 4. 4 plus 3. So what is it? The sum of 4 and 3 it becomes 7. But 7 is also not equal to 8. That's why this is also not a solution of the given equation. Then next x is equal to 5. I have to give it. So x is equal to 5. 5 plus 3. So what will you get? 5 plus 3? 8. Yes, 8 is equal to 8. Then therefore what is the solutions of the given equations? This is the solutions of the given equations. What is that? X is equal to 5. Therefore the value of x is 5. So when you are putting the value of x in the place of x or y, the 5 you have to substitute the value of x. So 5 plus 3 become 8. That's why the solutions of the given equations is 5. So I will take one more example. M plus 9 it is equal to 1. M plus 9 is equal to 1. Yes, student, here we are putting the m is equal to 0. We have to start from always from 0. Okay, 0 plus 9 it is equal to 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Therefore is not equal to 1. Therefore is not equal to 1. That's why m is not a solution of the given equations. When m is equal to 1, you have to give it. So 1 plus 9. Sorry, this is not a 1. This is minus m minus 4. It is equal to 1. Otherwise m minus 4 is equal to 2. I will put m minus 4 is equal to 2. Okay. So m is equal to 0. I have to substitute 0 minus 4 it is equal to 0 minus 4 what? Minus 4, but is not equal to 2. Therefore, m is not a solution. M is equal to not 0 is not a solution of the given equation. Next, m is equal to 1, you have to give it. So 1 minus 4, it is equal to 1 minus 4 is nothing but minus 3. Because of bigger number sign, you have to put in the answer. But minus 3 is not equal to 2. That's why m is equal to 1 is not a solution of the given equations. Next, m is equal to 2, you have to give it. So 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, what is that? So minus 2 is not equal to 2. Minus 2 where? 2 where? Okay. Therefore, this is also not a solution of the given equation. M is equal to 3, you have to give it. So 3 minus 4. What will you get? 3 minus 4, it becomes minus 1. Again, minus 1 is not equal to 2. This 2. Again, m is equal to 3 is not a solution of the given equations. M is equal to 4, you have to give it. So 4 minus of 4, it is equal to 0. But is not equal to 2. So m is equal to 5, you have to give it. So 5 minus of 4. 5 minus of 4, it is equal to 1, but not equal to 2. So m is equal to 6, you have to give it. So 6 minus of 4, it is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, see, m place 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to, what is the 6 minus 4? Is equal to 2. In the RHS side is also become a 2. Therefore, 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, m is equal to 6 is the solutions of the given equations. Therefore, m is equal to 6. Are you understand, friends? So like this, we have to solve the equations by the trial and error method. Okay. I will take one more example. 3p, it is equal to 12. 3p is equal to 12. Yes. See, students, in that I am putting p is equal to 0. Starting from 0, I have to give it. Starting from 0. Okay. Yes. So I am putting p is equal to 0. So 3 and p in between, which side is there? Nothing is there, means into is there. 3 into 0. So 3 into 0, what will get? 0, but is not equal to 12. Yes. Then p is equal to 1, you have to give it. So 3 into p place here 1. So what will you get? 3 ones are 3, but is not equal to 12. Therefore, it is not a solution of the given equation. Now p is equal to 2, you have to give it. So 3 into, what is the value of p? 2. 3 to the how much? 3 to the 6, but 6 is not equal to 12. Therefore, it is not a solution of the given equations. Next, p is equal to 3, you have to give it. So 3 into, what is the value of p? 3. Now 3 is a 9. 9 is again not equal to 12. Therefore, p is equal to 3 is also not a solution of the given equations. Now we have to give p is equal to 4. So 3 into p value here 4 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 3 4 how much? 12. Therefore 12 is equal to 12. Therefore the last final, what is that? P is equal to 4 is the solutions of the given equations. You understood? So like this we have to solve the pair of linear equations in one variable by the trial and error method. Okay, students? Yes. I will take one more example. 2y minus 3, it is equal to 5. 2y minus 3 is equal to 5 is one of the equations. So, which value we have to give these equations, then we can get the value of y. Okay? Yes. Now, I am starting from 0. This is LHS and this is RHS. Okay. So equal sign on left side alli irodu LHS, equal side na right side alli irodu RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. Okay. Yes. Now we have to solve in the LHS side. When you are putting the value of y, then the LHS is the value is equal to RHS value. When the LHS value and the RHS value are equal, then the we can get the solutions of the given equations. Yes. If I am putting there y is equal to 0. Yes. 2 in between y and 2 in between y, which sign is there? Into. Therefore 2 into 0 minus 3. It is equal to 2 into 0 what? 0. 0 minus 3 what? Minus 3. But it is not equal to 5. RHS side what is there? 5 is there. But minus 3 is not equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 1 you have to give it. So again, same equations. 2 into, what is the value of y? Into 1 minus of 3. It is equal to 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 3. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 3. It becomes minus 1. 2 minus 3. Okay. So otherwise you have to do it like this. 2 ones are 2 minus 3 as it is right on. 2 minus 3 what will you get? Minus 1, but minus 1 is not equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 2 you have to give it. Therefore 2 into what is the value of y? 2 minus 3 it is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 what will you get? 1. But 1 is not equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 2 is also not a solution of the given equation. Now y is equal to 3 how to give it? So let us see. 2 into what is the value of y? Now we have to substitute the value of y is instead of 3. So 2 into 3 minus of 3. So what will you get? 2 3s are 6. 6 minus of 3. 6 minus of 3. 2 3s are 6. Minus 3 is 3. So what will you get? 6 minus of 3 nothing but 3. So is not equal to 5. Again y is equal to 3 is not a solution of the given equation. Next y is equal to 4 you have to give it. So 2 into y means 4 minus of 3. So now 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 4 is the solutions of the given equations. Are you understood? So like this we have to solve the linear equations in one variable or simple linear equations by the trial and error method. Okay students? Yes. So next students I will go to the exercise 4.1. Directly I will go to the exercise 4.1. Are you understand the trial and error method? Very simple students. We have to give the value of the given unknown value. Then the LHS and the RHS. When the LHS and the RHS are equal, we have to stop that only, there only. Then the last value is the solutions of the given equations. Okay. See first exercise 4.1. In the first one, see students, there are 12 or 13 questions are there in that tables. I am showing only 3 questions. Remaining questions you have to solve in your own. Okay. See what is the complete the last columns of the table. Last column means this table you have to complete it. How? I am showing now. First one I will show it. X plus t is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, 3. When x is equal to 3, then the values become 0. When the values become 0, then we have to write yes. If the values not become to 0, the values this column you have to write in the no. I will show now. So first one, x plus 3 it is equal to 0, but x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Yes. So this is the solutions. Is the solutions of the given equation? It is the solutions of the given equations or not? That one you have to write in the last column. If it is the solutions of the given equations, you have to write in the yes. If the not the solutions of the given equations, we have to write in the no. Okay. Let us check it. So very simple students. This value you have to substitute in these equations. Then the LHS or RHS are equal. Then when the LHS and RHS are equal, then this is the solutions of the given equations. Otherwise not. See, x instead of I will write 3 plus 3. It is equal to 3 plus 3. What is that? 6. But 6 is not equal to in the RHS side 0. Therefore, this is the not a solutions of the given equation. Therefore, we have to write in the column no. Next students, like that fifth one I will show now. Fifth one. Okay. So you also do like this only in your notes. So what we have to first you have to draw the tables. In the below the tables we have to solve one by one. Okay. See, I will show the fifth one. So x minus 7 is equal to 1. X minus 7 it is equal to 1. But x is equal to what? 8. Correct. So we have to substitute the value of x instead of the given equations. So what will happen? See, x plus 8 minus 7 it is equal to 8 minus 7 is equal to what? 1. Therefore 1 is equal to 1. Therefore this is the solutions of the given equation. Therefore it is a yes. That's all. Next, ninth one I am showing ninth one. So what is the ninth one? M by 3 it is equal to 2. Then x is equal to minus 6. Then x is equal to minus 6. Yes. x not m, this is m not m, x, this is m, when m is equal to minus 6. Yes. And substitute the value of minus m instead of minus 6. So minus 6 divided by 3, it is equal to 3 ones are 3, 2s are, this is what? Minus 2 it become. But it is not equal to 2, but we need 2, but we can get minus 2, therefore this is not a solution of the given equation, therefore we have to write no. Understood? The LHS and RHS are equal, we have to write yes. LHS and RHS are not equal, we have to write no. Are you understood? So remaining questions are there in this main. There are 13 or 14 questions are there. You have to write in your home. Okay. So I will go to the second main is also same. Second main is also same as it is they are given, but they are not given in the table form. They are given in the directly. So they are given the one questions are given, equations they are given. So in the bracket they are given the value of the given solutions. That solutions, is it satisfied or not? So we have to check it in our second main. Same. First main and second main are both are same. Now I will go to the third main. Same. Solve the trial and error. Solve the equations by trial and error. Now only I will show now. So one more time I will show now. 5p plus 2. 5p plus 2. It is equal to 17. 5p plus 2. It is equal to 17. So in that we have to give the value of p. Then we can get LHS and RHS are equal. When the LHS and RHS are equal, you have to stop there only. Then the last solutions is the given equations. Yes. Now we have to do the p is equal to 0. So 5 into 0 plus 2, it is equal to 5 into 0 what? 0. 0 plus 2 what? 2. 2 is not equal to 17. Next p is equal to 1, you have to give it. So 5 into p means 1 plus 2. So 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2 what? 7. Again is not equal to 17. This is not a solution of the given equation. P is equal to, have to give it. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 plus 2. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 what? 12. 12 is not equal to 17. Understood? Therefore p is equal to 2 is not a solution of the given equation. Then p is equal to 3, have to give it. So 5 into 3 plus 2. 5 into 3 plus 2, it is equal to 5 3 is what? 15. 15 plus 2, how much? 17. Therefore 17 is equal to 17. Therefore the last solutions, what is the last equation? P is equal to 3. This is the solutions of the given equations. I understood. So like this, you have to solve the pair of linear equations in one variable. Okay. Like this second question, 3m minus 14 is equal to 14. 3m minus 14 is equal. 3m minus 14 is equal to 14. Is it right? Sorry, 4, not a 14. It is a 4. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. Okay. Next. See students, same m is equal to 0, I have to start it. 3 into 0 minus of 14, it is equal to 3 into 0 what? 0. 0 minus 14 minus 14. But it is not equal to 4. And m is equal to 2, I have to give it. So 1. So 3 into 1. 3 ones are 3 minus 14. So 3 ones are 3, you have to write otherwise. 3 ones are 3 minus 14. So what will you get? Minus 14, 3 minus 14 minus 11. Okay, it is not equal to 4. Next, m is equal to 2, you have to give it. So 3 into 2 minus of 14. So 3 2s are 6 minus of 14. So it is equal to 6 minus of 14 will become minus 8. It is not equal to 4. Next, m is equal to 3, you have to give it. So 3 into 3 minus 14, it is equal to 3 3s are 9. 9 minus of 14. So 9 minus of 14 how much? So minus 6. Sorry, minus 5. Minus 6 minus 5. Therefore is not equal to 4. Next, m is equal to 4, have to give it. So 3 into 4 minus of 14. It is equal to 3 4s are 12. So minus 14. It is equal to minus 2. 12 minus of 14 is equal to minus 2. It is not equal to 4. Therefore m is equal to 4 is not a solution of the given equation. Then you have to give 5. So 3 into 5. 3 into 5 minus 14. It is equal to 3 5s are 15 minus of 14. 3 5s are 15 minus 14. Okay, it is equal to 1, but it is not equal to 4. Therefore m is equal to 6, you have to give it. So 3 into 6 minus of 14, it is equal to 3 6 are 18 minus of 14, it is equal to 4. Therefore 4 is equal to 4. Therefore the last solutions, what is that? M is equal to 6. This is the solutions of the given equations. Are understood? This is the trial and error method to solving the linear equations in one variable. See students, this method is taking a much time. It's a very lengthy process. Okay, that's why it is not a suitable method to solving the linear equations in one variable. So let me start the next classes. We have to discuss the elimination method. So elimination method is better than the trial and error method. Okay students, so that method we have to discuss in the next classes. Okay students, in the remaining questions are there in your textbooks. Fourth main and fifth main, what is the fourth and fifth main is there. So we have to write in the equations form, they are right in the statement form. I will show in the first concept only. Okay, that's why you have to write in the fourth and fifth main, you have to do in your home. Okay, so in the 4.1 exercise will be completed. Okay, in the next classes we have to discuss in the elimination method and the direct method or transposition method. Thank you.